Why use threaded conversations in Slack?
Threaded conversations help keep Slack channels organized by grouping related replies together. This prevents important discussions from getting lost in a crowded message feed. Threads make it easier to follow conversations, reduce channel clutter, and ensure everyone stays focused on the right topics without unnecessary distractions.
How to start a thread in Slack.
To start a thread in Slack, hover over the message you want to reply to and click the Reply in Thread icon. Type your response in the thread pane that appears on the right, then hit Send. This keeps your reply connected to the original message instead of adding it to the main channel flow.
Managing and following threads.
Stay updated on threaded conversations by clicking the Threads icon in the sidebar. Here, you'll see all the threads you participate in or follow. You can reply, add reactions, or choose to follow or leave threads as needed. This makes it easy to track ongoing discussions without overwhelming your main channels.
Best practices for reducing clutter.
Use threads for topic-specific questions, feedback, or discussions that might otherwise crowd the main chat. Encourage your team to keep side discussions in threads and only use the main channel for updates that everyone needs to see. This keeps important information easy to find and channels focused.
Keeping Slack organized and efficient.
By using threaded conversations, your team can communicate efficiently without losing track of important details. Making threads a regular habit helps everyone stay organized and ensures that Slack remains a productive space for collaboration. Start threading your messages today for a more streamlined chat experience.